What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the black screen and random crashes you are getting when starting or playing Black Ops 4 Blackout. So first of all, close the game and open up your task manager. Blizzard support usually responds to these kind of problems if there is an issue with your hardware, running software, or your admin permissions. To troubleshoot these problems, we will close any third-party programs running in the background which could interfere with the game. This could be Steam, Discord, or OBS for example. After closing the applications, make sure that your operating system and drivers are up to date. Search for updates to make sure that your OS and DirectX is up to date. And if you use an NVIDIA GPU, you can update your graphics in the GeForce Experience application. After this is complete, uninstall the game and reinstall it. Simply search for uninstall, and in your apps and features you can uninstall Black Ops 4. After re-downloading the game, right-click your Battle.net application or shortcut and select Properties. Here, select the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator, and click Change settings for all users. Don't forget to apply the changes. Now you should be able to run the game without a black screen or random crashes. If the problem persists, then make sure you have the minimum required hardware to run the game. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.